Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you, our new subscribers, and also our return subscribers. We thank you for the good job that you are doing for this channel. If you are new, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and share so that when we post anything, you will know. I'm gonna talk about this video about swine fever that is going on in Ghana, and I want you to watch this video from Joy News, and then after we're gonna talk about this. Enjoy and pay attention to this video. Thank you.
But let's talk about your food. A lot of you, or those pig lovers amongst us, more than 2,000 pigs have died after contracting what veterinary officers say is African swine fever. The incident, which occurred within a 3-week period, has affected more than 50 farmers in the pig farm cluster in the JoJo's municipality of the Ashanti region. Prince Apia has more in this report.
That was 2 months ago, and this place had so much life. Today, seated under this tree are frustrated and confused swine farmers. This has become their routine. They come here to chat among themselves and deliberate on ways to get back to business.
Ordinarily, in every pig farm, you are greeted by loud oinks from the pigs. But this cannot be said for this particular farm because more than 1,000 of the pigs here have died from the African swine fever. So today, it is dead silence.
Pig farmer George J counts his losses as he takes me round the farm. 2 weeks ago, he noticed changes in his pigs to a strange disease which will later be identified as the African swine fever. For 7 years, this is the first time he is experiencing this.
Those pens that are affected, you see 1 or 2 of these pigs, they are not active, they won't try to eat, but normally that's we do. Commonly, we will try to touch them and feel their body temperature. But in fact, honestly speaking, throughout my experience, 7 years, I've never felt this kind of temperature before. Extremely hot. Then the animal will be breathing in a strange manner that call for immediate attention. Some of them too, you see the color, the body color changed. Some change light brownish, some yellowish color. And then 1 or 2 we've observed, some sort of blood will be oozing from the ear and then the eyes.
Mr. J is part of the JoJo's cluster of over 50 pig farmers who are the worst hit by the disease. He has lost more than 35,000 cedis from the current situation.
We have, myself alone, I have approximately 30 pens. On the average, if you are considering the number of farmers and pens available here from this end to that end, we are looking at not less than 3,000 pigs produced annually. And then we normally start to sell them to the markets when they are 50 kilos and above. So if we are taking the lowest kilo margin, that is 50 kilos, and multiplying that by 3,000, it means we are producing approximately 150,000 kilos of pork, that's pig meat, and that's equivalent to 150 tons of meat. Some people have lost tons of money. I've lost not less than 35,000 Ghana cedi. So if after this, and most of our colleagues, they've lost interest. In fact, it's disastrous.
Veterinary officers at the JoJo's Public Health Directorate have been assessing the situation. To avoid such disease outbreaks in the future, the farmers are advised to observe proper biosecurity practices. Higa Oforiwa is the Chief Technical Officer for Public Health in charge of disease control.
what we are entreating them is to do the cleaning and disinfection for some time, so that they leave their farm bare for some months. After that, we will let them bring in new animals to try and rear them to see if the disease is totally eradicated.
Meanwhile, the farmers have begun putting in measures to get them back to business, but yet to get clearance from the health officials.
Na my spray ni ade ade ha na yale no efiri ha kra nsan na ya start adwuma ne foforo na nso so se na mo se ka kire se Ghana ban eniska nti so mbe kunkumwa ne nyina kra na nya de a ebia compensation bi ebefiri ba bi aba nti no ya de asat now de ya anka se pedro ni ade ne spray ha
so obi be free outside de na abo aba ha so obi kum de ya twam ana tan so wo ha obi wo kora winnimu no na wa ba o say won wisam wo ha no oba be hwe wo mo enu say ye sizi fi say ye nim ba bia o firi a wo ye de oba.
Madam Uforiwa says it will take close to 6 months for them to start working on this space again.
So what is happening here is that most of the farmers are waiting for their pigs to die from the African swine fever, because most of them have been affected by the disease. Then they bury them. This has become a major cause of worry for most of the farmers, who now would have to wait for 6 months before they can bounce back to their business. My name is Prince Apia, reporting from Ejiso.
Guys, thank you for watching. If you pay attention to this video, you realize that there was no cure, and the best cure for swine flu or African swine flu, whatever name you call it, is cleanliness. Cleanliness. Please try as much as you can to prevent this disease by cleaning your pen with detergents or disinfectants. Contact the veterinaries, contact a veterinary doctor to help you with the right thing. You need not to panic when you see these things, but rather make sure you take good care of your pen. Clean your pen, wash the pigs, wash them, clean them, disinfect the pen. Don't allow anybody to come in. It is very important where you buy your pigs from. It is very important what kind of pig you are bringing to your pen. Guys, this is just by the way to draw awareness to us that we will make sure that our pen is clean, our pigs are clean, the place is disinfectant. If you are not sure what kind of detergent you should use, contact a veterinary. It will not cost you that much to contact a veterinary who will give you prescription, the right prescription that you need to disinfect your pen, either daily or twice a week or 3 times a week. Guys, thank you very much. God richly bless you and take care. Bye. Watch out for our next video. Thank you all.